3. Ooh, I had to do it too, man.
Just in the leg.
Alright guys, Bike Cops is killing it. We are in the #1 spot, alphabetically, but we can do better. We're gonna take all the good ideas from the other shows and make them ours.
Sorry, how does that make us funnier?
Because now we're flipping ethnic stereotypes while showing how much fun you guys are having in your 30s in PEI.
Yo, welcome to Dope Ass Bike Cops, a totes great show coming straight out of Canada for Canadians on Canadian TV. Why Canadians gonna love our show so much? Because none of it takes place here. TP! Sorry, what? Why do I have to wear the frog hat again?
Cut! Okay, for the last time, you're not a frog, you're an orc. Okay, let me explain. Guys, it couldn't be easier. It's so linear.
Well, I thought this was the script for Infinite Possibilities. No? Wow.
Hi there, would you like some berries? Are you kidding me? That's nuts. Okay. It should be a duck, and he should be saying quackers. Am I crazy here? It's not funny otherwise.
Where the hell are they?
What if, hypothetically, we printed off tiny little photos of all the teams and we put them on marshmallows and we literally roasted them?
All the blow we needed was one bike only.
Cut! Alright everybody, that is a wrap on the 6th and final episode of One Bike Only.
Cheers!
Woo!
You guys know you need 6 seasons to get syndication, right?
La porte à l'avant et son ami était là avec un focus rouge et puis il est... did you just stop listening to me because of my subtitles?
Oh, you speak English. Oh, just do that. That's perfect.
Inconsidéré, grossier, esclave de le système judiciaire. Vraiment?
I don't know. I don't think a show can rely on just fancy camera angles.
Well, let's walk and talk about it. Whoa. Sean, this is Jeff and the Ninjas craft table.
Oh, you're right. They're gonna need these.